If you have a list and you want to get just the unique values, so eliminate any duplicates, I mean, you can do it manually in a smaller list, but in a larger list it gets more difficult. So here is how in Google Sheets, how you can get just the unique values, and then we'll see how to get them sorted as well. So here is our list here, and as you can see, we've got a couple of duplicates there. Pasta appears twice, salad appears twice, and so on. So to get the unique values, we're just going to use the unique function. And even if you're not familiar, not comfortable with formulas, it is really extremely easy to use. You say unique, and we just want to select the range of values. I'm just clicking on that, and you can see that it's gone A2 to A11, and I close that up, and that is going to, as soon as I hit enter, that will just show me just the unique values. Okay, so if we have something like tacos appears twice here, but it only appears once in this list here. And now that was very easy. Let's just sort them now. So what we're going to do is I'll just go equals unique once again, and so I'll just do the same thing again. Okay, and I'm going to click enter there. That's identical, but now what we want to do is have them sorted. So to do that, you just go sort the entire thing, close your parentheses back here, and then that sorts them alphabetically. Okay, so that's a really good fast way of sorting and identifying the unique values. Now, one other thing is that if I want to get everything that's a value in this list, and maybe there are going to be some extras added in here, instead of saying A2 to A11, because if I add in a new one down in here, say curry here, that's not going to be included, okay? And if we put in another one here, say fried rice, okay, that's not included in the list, and that's because I've hard coded here A11. I said stop at A11. If I want to say, look, keep going until you get to a blank, then all I need to do is change this from A11 to simply, I'll just do A. So you can see what that's done there. It's gone right down to the bottom of the A column. And you can see that fried rice is included there, and we can do the same thing here. Let me just do that one again, and I'm going to say unique. Well, I'll do sort, and then unique, and then I'm going to say, of course I could use this list as my source, but now I'm going to use this list here, and I'm going to say go from A2 to colon to A. Close that first one for the unique, and close the second one for the sort. You can see the brackets are being highlighted there, and then I hit enter there, and there we go. And now if we add a new one in here, we've got a new meal here, so we're going to have pumpkin pie. That just gets added in here and added in here. Once again, unique and sorted. So two really helpful formulas. Unique from here and sort from here. Okay.